You ever notice how some people seem to get ahead financially while others stay stuck no matter how hard they work? Here's the truth. It's not about luck or working 3 jobs or even landing a massive salary. It comes down to a simple piece of math that the wealthy use, but most of us never learned in school. It's called the Rule of 72, and it might just be the shortcut that changes how you think about money forever. Let's break it down with a story. Chapter 1. Meet Daniel. Daniel's 29, works as a teacher in Chicago. He's not rich, but he's smart with his budget. No debt, pays bills on time, and saves $200 a month. But here's the kicker. All his savings sit in a high-yield bank account, paying 1.5%. He thought he was being responsible, but when he did the math, he realized it would take 48 years for his money to double. 48 years. That's not wealth building. That's treading water. One night, scrolling YouTube, Daniel stumbled on the Rule of 72, and suddenly, the light bulb went off. Chapter 2. What is the Rule of 72? Here's how it works. Take the number 72. Divide it by the rate of return you're earning. That's how many years it takes your money to double. Example. Invest $5,000 at 9%. 72 divided by 9 equals 8 years. That $5,000 becomes $10,000 in 8 years. Leave it in a savings account at 1%. 72 divided by 1 equals 72 years. You'll be in your 90s before it doubles. Daniel realized his savings weren't growing at all. He wasn't just being safe, he was quietly losing time, which is the most valuable resource of all. Chapter 3. Why safe isn't always safe. We're taught from childhood, save your money, be responsible, avoid risk. But here's the real risk. Letting inflation eat away at your savings. If inflation is 3% and your savings account pays 1.5%, you're losing purchasing power every single year. That's like running on a treadmill. You're moving your legs, but you're not going anywhere. Daniel's money felt safe, but safe was costing him decades of growth. Chapter 4. The power of compound interest. Here's where it gets exciting. Compound interest is money earning money, and then earning money again. Daniel did the math. If he invested $200 a month in a low-cost index fund, averaging 9% returns, in 30 years he'd have over $350,000. Keep that same $200 a month in his bank account at 1.5%. After 30 years, barely $90,000. That's $250,000 left on the table, all because of where the money sat. Small choices today multiply into massive results tomorrow. Chapter 5. The Cost of Waiting. Lisa's story. Let's flip it. Lisa, Daniel's co-worker, said, "I'll start investing when I make more money." She waited 10 years. Finally, at 39, she started saving $300 a month. Sounds smart, right? Except here's the kicker. Daniel started at 29 with $200 per month. Lisa started at 39 with $300 per month. By 59, Daniel had more than $350,000. Lisa? Just under $180,000. Even though she put in more every month, she lost the one thing she couldn't buy back: time. That's why the Rule of 72 is really the rule of now. Chapter 6. What's holding you back? If it's so simple, why don't more people use it? 3 barriers. Fear. Investing is too risky. Reality. Doing nothing is the riskiest move of all. Complexity. I don't understand the stock market. Solution. Start with index funds. They're designed to be simple. Procrastination. I'll start later. But as we saw with Lisa, later costs you hundreds of thousands. The perfect moment never comes. The best time is now, even if it's just $20 a month. Chapter 7. Rewriting your money story. Daniel didn't become a millionaire overnight. He didn't gamble on crypto or buy lottery tickets. He learned one rule, applied it consistently, and let time do the heavy lifting. That's the beauty of the Rule of 72. It's not about making more money. It's about making your money work smarter than you do. So ask yourself, where is your money sitting? How hard is it working for you? And if you changed nothing, where would you be in 10 years? Conclusion. Your turn. The rule of 72 isn't magic. It's math. But math doesn't lie. Time can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Daniel chose to start small and build. Lisa chose to wait. One's on the path to freedom, the other's still catching up. So, who do you want to be? Don't wait for a raise. Don't wait for the right time. Start today. Even if it's $5, even if it's $10, your future self will thank you. And if this video sparked something for you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more simple money hacks. Drop a comment. What's one financial step you'll take this week? Because wealth isn't about luck. It's about choices. And your choice starts now.